What if I told you that you could produce an entire week's worth of videos before your morning coffee even gets cold? Not one video, not five. We're talking dozens of fully finished, publish-ready clips, all done in a single workflow, completely for free. If that sounds impossible, then you need to keep watching, because what I'm about to walk you through is going to completely flip the way you think about content creation in 2026. The full workflow I'm going to show you today, step by step, and yes, it is completely free. This is a connected, multi-step process. Every single part links to the next one. If you jump ahead or skip a section because it looks simple, the whole thing might not execute the way it's supposed to. So stay with me from beginning to end. I promise there are some time-saving tips woven throughout that will make this worth every minute of your attention. All right, let's get into it. The tool powering this entire workflow is Canva. Now, before you roll your eyes and think you already know everything about Canva, stop. What I'm going to show you is a feature set that most people have completely overlooked, and it's the exact combination of tools that makes this bulk creation method possible. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up with a new Gmail account and access a full 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. That trial gives you everything you need to complete this workflow without spending a single dollar. If you want ongoing access after that, there are options available that won't break your budget, but the trial alone is more than enough to get started and see real results. Now, once you're inside Canva, head over to the Templates section. You'll see an enormous library of pre-built designs covering basically every content format imaginable. What we're going to focus on for this workflow is a specific type of short-form video. Go to the search bar and type in Instagram quote shorts. This will pull up a collection of templates built specifically for motivational and quote-based short videos, and this is one of the most evergreen niches you can be in right now. Self-improvement content has been performing consistently for years. It was pulling views before the short-form boom. It's performing incredibly well right now, and that trend shows no signs of slowing down. People connect with motivational content on an emotional level, and platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts continue to push it heavily because engagement stays high. Browse through the templates and pick one that resonates with your style. When you open it, you'll see it's made up of a few key elements: a topic label, a quote, your channel handle, and a background video. These are the 4 components we're going to customize and then automate across an entire batch. Here's what you want to do with your template. Bring all the elements toward the center of the frame and scale them up just enough that they're easy to read on a small mobile screen. Replace the existing topic text with the placeholder word topic, and replace the existing quote with the placeholder word quote. Then swap out the channel handle with your actual channel name. At this point, don't overthink the colors, fonts, or design details too much. What matters is that the structure is clean and functional. The background video that came with the template can stay in place for now. This is your master sample, and it only needs to be set up once. Now here is where the magic starts to happen. Head back to the Canva home dashboard. You'll notice there are several content creation options listed across the page, things like presentations, videos, docs, and one that most people walk right past without a second look: Sheets. Canva Sheets is the engine behind this entire workflow. It lets you store all your content data in one place and then link it directly to your video template to generate a full batch of customized videos automatically. Think of it as a spreadsheet that talks directly to your design files. Open up Sheets and create a new file. Before you start filling it in, scale your columns so everything is readable and rename the file something clear and organized. You'll need 2 main data columns, one for your topic labels and one for your quotes. There will also be a 3rd column where you'll store your background videos. Now here's the part that's going to save you the most time. You don't need to manually write out 100 different quotes. Inside the Canva Sheets action menu at the top, you'll find an AI content generation tool called Magic Write. Open it up and give it a specific prompt. Ask it to build a 2-column table with 100 inspirational quotes across a variety of different topics. Specify that column. 1 should hold a short theme title, and column 2 should contain the quote text in quotation marks. Being specific with your prompt is what makes the output clean and usable, rather than messy and inconsistent. Hit generate and watch what happens. Within seconds, a fully populated table appears with 100 unique quotes ready to use. Click Insert, and every single one drops right into your sheet. 100 video scripts done in under a minute. That alone is worth the price of admission. Now you need to handle the visual layer, which means background videos. Go to Canva's Elements panel and search for nature videos. When the results load, apply the vertical filter to make sure you're only seeing short-form compatible footage. You'll find a solid variety to choose from, including sunsets, ocean waves, waterfalls, forests, and more. Drag and drop your chosen clips directly into the third column of your sheet. You don't need a unique video for every single row. A set of around 20 to 30 different clips is more than enough to give variety across your batch. Once your sheet is fully loaded, go back to your template design. In the left side toolbar, scroll down until you find the Bulk Create option and click on it. This is the feature that turns your spreadsheet data into a finished batch of videos. Connect your Canva sheet to the template using the third option in the connection menu. Here's the part you need to be extremely careful with. You're going to manually connect each element in your template to the correct column in your sheet. Click on the topic element, select Connect Data from the drop-down, and link it to your topic column. Repeat that process for the quote text and then for the background video element. When the connections are made correctly, Canva highlights the linked elements in purple, which is your visual confirmation that everything is properly mapped. Double-check this before moving on because a wrong connection here means your entire batch comes out wrong. Once you're satisfied everything is aligned correctly, click Continue and then select Create Designs. Canva takes a few moments to process and then delivers your entire batch of finished videos right there on the screen. Each one has a unique topic, a unique quote, and a different background video. These are not generic repetitive templates. Every single video looks and feels distinct. From here you can add background audio through Canva's stock music library, search for soft background music, or even better, pull trending audio from Instagram and Facebook that's already performing well with audiences. Trending sounds dramatically increase the chances of your videos getting picked up and pushed by platform algorithms. When you're ready to download, click Share and then Download. You'll see 3 download options. The custom download option gives you the most control. You can handpick exactly which videos you want to export first, select multiple at once, and download everything in full 4K resolution. The output quality is genuinely impressive, sharp, clean, and ready to publish directly to any platform without any additional editing. Think about what that means practically. Whether you're running one channel or managing accounts across multiple platforms, you just went from spending hours producing a single video to generating an entire content library in the time it used to take you to write one script. This workflow is your system. Use it, adapt it, and scale it to however many videos you want to produce. If this opened your eyes to something you didn't know was possible, do me a favor and drop a like on this video. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button right now, because I test new AI tools and workflows every single week and only share the ones that actually move the needle. I'll see you in the next one.